This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शुक्रवासरः अथवा भृगुवासरः श्रावण कृष्ण चतुर्थी दिनांक 7 अगस्त 2020 सहस्रयोगं प्रसारिणी शङ्खं चक्रं जलौकां ददतमृतघटं चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छादिविद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलकदवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दुष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको दुष्टश्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत्नं सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। So प्रसारिणी तैल प्रसारिणी तुलाक्वाथे तैलप्रस्थं पयस्समं द्विमेधा विषमञ्जिष्ठा पुष्करास्ना कुचन्दनैः जीवकर्षभकाकोली युगलामरदारुभिः कल्पिर्विपाच्येत् सर्वं मारुतामयनाशनम्। तर्हि अयं पाठः प्रचारे वर्तते एवञ्च मयापि उपयुज्यते। प्रसारिणी तुलाक्वाथे तैलप्रस्थं पयस्समं द्विमेधा विषमञ्जिष्ठा पुष्करास्ता कुचन्दनैः जीवकर्षभकाकोली युगलामरदारुभिः कल्कैः विपाच्येत् सर्वं मारुतामयनाशनम्। Prasarani Tula, Prasarani is the main medicine, etc. Prasarani is available by what name that might be understood. Manjishtha Kushta Rasta Chandeliya. So Lata, I suppose. So there is Jivaniya Gana in this. Manjishtha Kushta, so Rakta Prasadana and Jivana. I have been using this particularly for varicose veins, and it is very effective in varicose veins. So, so Falashruti is Sarva Vata Roga, but I'm not using for all Vata diseases as such. Particularly, I have been using it for varicose veins, and maybe since this is containing this Ashtavarga and Jivaniya God, so Rakta Prasadana as well. So, does anybody know what Prasarini is? And with what name it is available in the market? Of course, Prasarini Tail is available, there is no doubt about that. Dinesh Valyadi Taila. So there was some logo. Dinesh Valli Rajani Dinesh व्याघातक क्षीर महीरुहानां पाथेन कल्केन पच्येत तैलम दोष शांते वरवर्णकारी. Don't know whether this is available. सूर्यवल्ली रजनी दिनेश अर्क व्याघात व्याधिघातक आरक बता. तो व्याघातक is व्याधिघातक आरक बता. क्षीर महीरुह क्षीरी वृक्ष वाथेन कल्केन पचेत तैलम दोष शांते वरवर्णकार. For Tvak dosha and creates good varna. So we may have to think about this. Dinesh Valyadi. Is Prasarani Shatavari? I don't think so. Same part is in Ashtanga Hridaya, Vatapyati Chikitsa, Prasaranyadi Taila. But what is Prasarini? So, and with what name it is available in the market? Because it's the main content of this. And, anyway, let us see for some response. Panchasneha. Dashamula Bala Masha, Gandha Prasarani and Prasarani same. I'm not aware. Dashamula Bala Masha Karpasasti Kulattakam. Prastam Putakshundam Jalat Drona Dvaye Pachit. Dhanyamlam Surpa Sanyuktam. Adasheshena Tenatu Varahi Tilap Jay Randa Narikela Takrajaihi. Dashamul Bala Masha Karpasasti Kulattakam. So everything. Gandha Birusha is a total different thing. It's like a gum. In Kerala, Merimiya Tridandata is used as Prasarani, a small creeper in northern parts. Gandha Prasarani is used as Prasarani. Prasarani ki varicose veins at Kanutta kashi asavi. I think this is associated with the Sira and Rakta Prasadana that is being done, and Jivaniya Gan is there, so that is good for Rakta Dhatu. So by strengthening that Rakta Dhatu, it might be working. I started it with Prasarini, the name Prasarini, and Prasarini is growing or something like that. Is Prasaranyadi tail used internal or external? I am using only external, but we may think of using it internal as well. And I have not as such used in other Vatavyatis, but wherever there is Rakta Dushti in Vatavyathi, this might be a good thing to use. So let us see how it works. This is quite a big part. पृथक् पृथक् कुडव त्रिकुडवं स्नेहस्य द्विगुणं पयः कल्कैरेतैर्विभक्तव्यं दास्ता सैन्धवदारुकम् कार्पासास्ति कुलत्थाग्नि गण्डीरञ्चि सुपेषितैः जयेत् वातरुजास्तम्भ दीर्घभग्नरुजं तथा बाहुशोषापबाहुं च बाहुसम्भम् अथापि च करोति बाहुवृद्धिं च वातरोगान् निघन्ति च पञ्चस्नेहमिदं प्रोक्तं ब्रह्मणा निर्मितं पुरा Rajaprasarani tail is available which is used internally. Maharaja Prasarani. And this Panchasneha, is it available? Then Prasarani taila can be used in Vagrant. What is that? Can be used in, I don't know what we say, Vagrant. There should be some mistyping. Panchasneha available Vaidyaratnam. Okay. Vatarakta. Okay. That can be used in Vatarakta. प्रसरणी तेल विशेषत्वाने कुब्जत्वामध्ये उपयुक्त योग रत्नाकर म्हणून स्नायू संकोच असताना विशेष उपयोग होईल असे वाटते. ओके. सो पंचस्नेह दिस इज बाहुशोषाप बाहुंच बाहुस्तंभ मखापिच बाहुशोष बाहु स्तंभ बाहुवृद्धिं करोति. This is very typical. So maybe Vishwachi and in diabetes patient, this is peculiarly frozen shoulder. So for frozen shoulder, this Panchasneha would be useful, and if it is for Bahu Shosha or Bahu Stamba and creates Bahu Vruddhi, then that can be fine. Rasna Sendha Daru, Devdaru, Karpasasti, Kulatha, Agni Chitra, Gandhira. So Karpasasti had some typical action. So this we may have to think about. वाराही तैल तिल तैल एरंड तैल नालिकेरज तैल तक्रज. तक्रज is गोघृत. प्रसारिणी या नावानुसार स्नायू संकोचात प्रसारित करणारे असा घेता येईल. मे बी in diabetes very useful prasarini in frozen shoulder. Now I am saying about Panchasneha, but maybe even prasarini might be useful. But Panchasneha, if it is available, then that seems to be a better choice to use, particularly in frozen shoulder. Dashamula Bala Mashra Karpasasti Kulatha Vanprastha each, that is Dravadravya, water, Dhanyamla and Gokshira. So this is again very typical. Dhanyamla and Kshira are used together. Vata Rakta, Vata Vedana, Stambha, Bhagna Pida, Bahu Vruddhi. So he has not completely given translation. What is Varahi Taila? I am not aware. Varahi is Dukkarkanda, but whether Taila can be extracted from Dukkarkanda. Varaha Vasa. That might be the thing. So I think it will be Varaha Vasa. It's taken in Vaidyaratnam part. Okay. So it is Panchasneha as what they are saying. So Gruta, Taila, Narikela Taila, Erenda Taila, and this Vasa. This is a very strange combination. Sarpir Majja Vasa, only Majja is not there, but other Snehas are there. Thavara as well as Jangama. So Vasa and Grutas are Jangama, and Erendatail and this Narikelatel, each Thavara. Varsa Gruta Taila, yeah, that is the thing, Trivrit Sneha. So this might be of a Panchasneha to be used in this. So, and he has dropped the Falashruti of Bahushosha, etc. Bahustambha, Bahushosha. Vataruja Stambha Dirgha Bhagna Rujam Tatha. So this is also typical. Dirgha Bhagna Ruja. Vasatu Sandesti Marma Koshta Ruja Sutta Tatha Dagha Ata Prashta Yoni Karna Shiro Ruja. Prashta Yoni Karna Shiro Ruja. So we maybe try to use this Panchasneha. So we are using Mahasneha. Particularly, I am using Mahasneha, but Amrita Vrusha Nirgundi Dvirekha Girimardini Aile Ekanch Vetnagram Shamshudya Paripidaya. Amrita Vrusha Nirgundi Dvirekha Girimardini Aile Ekanch Vetragram Samshudya Paripidaya. Actually, Dvirekha is generally Brahmara. Here it seems to be something different. तद्रसेथ जटाकष्ठ सारिवा दारुचंदनैः अभयारोहिणी लाक्षा यष्टि सर्ग रसान्वितैः कल्पितैर्नालिकैरस्य स्नेहे स्नेहस्तिलज एव वा विपक्वः सर्वकासग्नः श्वासानां च निबर्हणः जटाकुष्ठ सारिवा दारुचंदन अभयारोहिणी लाक्षा यष्टि सर्ग रस नालिकैरतैल तिलतैल और तिलज एव वा अमृता गुळूची वृषवासा निर्गुंडी द्विरे भृंगराज गिरिमर्दिनी पाषाणभेद ऐलेयक वेत्राग्र amlavetus tender leaves. So vetra is not vansha or bamboo. Swarasa. This is Amrutadi tail. Falashruti is Sarva Shwas and Kasa. So strange. This is this available Amrutadi? अमृतादि तैल CNS से अमृतादि तेल मिळते तो पाठ वेगळाच आहे वातरक्तवर मुख्य उपयोग आहे. Okay. Does anybody know about this? What I'm thinking, this lung fibrosis, and maybe I have one case right now of honeycomb structure of this lung, and which is of course very difficult to treat. The main symptoms are like Vatajaka and Shvasa. There is relief, but and the patient has exceeded the limit which was told to him about his liveliness. But still, it is quite troublesome. And I have been using Narasimha Rasayan and many other things, mainly Rasayan treatment, so Kushmanda Rasayan, etc. But honeycomb is a very rare case, and fortunately, I am treating it for 1.5 years now. So this might be Kasa Shwasa, all kind of these things. So this Amrutadi tail, if it is available from some company, might be useful. Just see whether it is somewhere available. Vranabhairava taila. विषहिंगुल मंजिष्ठ हरिताल मनशिलाः घनसारत्रयी तुत्थद्वय द्वन्द्वकनाकुली श्रीवेष्ट सर्जर निर्यास गौरी अष्ट्याव गोपिकाः नवसार वरादारु कुन्दुरुष्क निषाद्वये चिंचापलास्ति सवनेयम् एष विष्टा जपात्वचः गिरिमर्दिनी is शंखपुष्पी. But Girimardini Pashan Beth seems appropriate. Shaka Nimba Kapithamra Nivyasa Koholi Rapi Shirena Vatavrakshasya Shalmalitvat Rasenacha Pratyagra Madyena Kukutanda Dravenacha Vishwa Samyak Samalipya Vasa Kande Dhaniyasi Dragishte Tena Samveshtya Shalaka Doha Nirmitam शोषयित्वा पुराणाज्य सिक्ताक्तां दीपयेत् पुनः एकत्र तिलकैरोत्थ स्नेहौ कृत्वा समांशके. Very strange. दीप्यमानां शलाकान्तां तस्योपरि च धारयत् अवागग्रां मुहुः सिञ्चन् ताभ्याम् अन्यत्र पातयेत्. शलाकाग्रगतान् स्नेहबिन्दून् आस्नेह संस्रयात् दीप्यमान शलाकाग्रात् पात्रे पतितमादरात् आदाय तैलं सत्पात्रे निषिच्य परिपालयेत्. संप्राप्ते वासरे तेन लेपनं विदधीत च वृणभैरव नामेदं तैलं मर्त्येन दुर्लभम् असितेन पुरा दुष्ट प्रणार्थं वीक्ष्य बालकम् यमिना सत्कृतेनोक्तं गृहस्थायाग्निशर्मणि सर्वव्रण हरस्सद्यः किञ्चेदं सन्निपातति असाध्यष्वपि सिद्धे च विसर्पादिषु च ध्रुवम् सर्वेषु आतरोगेषु वाताश्रये च पराजितम् उन्मादेशाप्यपस्मारे लैप्नस्यादिकर्मभिः भेलेन तपसा तैलम् एतत् लब्धम् अनिन्दितम् तन्मुखात् केचन विन्दन् मन्ये केचित् तदागमात्. So Vranabhairava Taila, is this available? The part is quite strange. So let us try to see from Sanskrit point of view. विषहिंगुल मंजिष्ठा हरिताल वनशिलाः घनसारत्रयी तुत्थद्वयगन्धकनाकुली श्रीवेष्ट सर्ज निर्यास गौरी अष्ट्याभ गोपिकाः नवसार वरादारु कुन्दुरुष्क निशाद्वयैः चिञ्चाफलास्तिस्थवणेयम् एष विष्टा जपात्वचः विष्टा शाकनिम्बकपित्ताम्र निर्यास कुहलीरपि क्षीरेण वटवृक्षस्य शाल्मलीत्वग्रसेन च प्रत्यग्रकेरमद्येन कुक्कुटान्दद्रवेण च विश्वा सम्यक् समालिप्य वासखण्डे गनीयसि. So Vasakhanda is a piece of cloth. So there should be a lepan of this, ghana lepan of all these over this Vasakhanda, that is a piece of cloth. Dragishtena samveshtya shalakam loha nirmitam. So a shalaka from loha is to be taken and one has to wrap this Vasakhanda over that shalaka. Shoshayitva. Then it should be dried. Puranajya siktaktam. So it is to be dipped in Purana Bhrita. Deepayet punaha. And that should be burnt. Ekatra tilakairotha sneha krutva samamshake. So ekatra tilakera. So tiltail and narikel tail. So this to be taken in a pot or something, and tilataila and narikela taila. Dipyamanam shalakantam tasya upari ch dharayet. So the burning shalaka is to be poured over these two snehas. Avagagram muhsintan tapyam annatra patayet. Avagagram. So avak is facing the tip downwards. Muhsinchan tabhyam. So the sinchana is to be done by these two, Tila and Narikela. Shalagragatan sneha bindun asneha samsraya. Dipyamana shalagrakarat pate patita madara. So there should be drops coming, sneha drops coming from this deep piece of cloth, and that should be collected very respectfully into that patra. But Muhusinchan, what is to be done with the sinchan or something like that. Adaya tailam satpatre nishiksha paripale. So the taila is to be taken and satpatre nishiksha paripale, that should be protected. Samprapte vasare tena lepanam vidati. Samprapte vasare. So vasara is day. So it might be pratakala, early morning. So one should do lepana with this. Varuna bhairava namedam tailam matyena durlabha. So it is very durlabha. Asitera pura drushta vranartha वीक्ष्यबालकं यमिना सत्कृतेनोक्तं गृहस्थायाग्नि शर्मणि. असितेन असितेन यमिना सत्कृतेन. Who is this Yami and Asita and Satkruta? Gruhasthaya Agni Sharmani. So one who is Agni Sharma was that kind of Gruhastha. सर्वव्रणहर सद्यः किंचेदं सन्निपातते. So सर्वव्रणहर and सद्यः and सन्निपातते असाध्येषु अपि सिद्धेच्च विसर्पादिषु च ध्रुवम्. So even in asadhya vrana this works and even in visarpa it works definitely. Sarveshu vatarogeshu vatasrechu paragitam. In all vatavikar and vatarta unmada apasmara lepanasyaadi karmavihi. Lepanasya bhelena tapasa tailam etat labdham ananditam. So Bhela has this created this tapasa labdham. With his tapa he has received this taila. Tanmukhat kechana vindan manye kechit tadagamat. And somebody heard this from his mouth. And so that is the agama for this. That is what some say. Let us see what this translation is done. Visha vatsanabhi hingula manjishtha haritala manashila dhanasara trayi mudakarpura pachakarpura rasakarpura. तुत्थद्वय महिला तुत्थ परतुत्थ गंधक नाकुली श्रीवेष्ट सर्ज निर्यास गौरी गौरी पाषाण. So there are so many Vishadravyas. यष्ट्याव गोपिका सारिवा नवसार वरा त्रिफला दारवी दारू देवदारू कुंदुष्क सल्लकी निर्यास निषाद्वय हरिद्रा दारू हरिद्रा चिंचा फल षष्ठी फल फलास्ती सॉरी स्थवणेय मेषविष्ट है जपा वचा दालचीनी शाक निंब कपित्थ आम्र निर्यास कोहली. Take the above drugs in the quantity of 1 tola each and make into paste by pounding with वटक्षीर शाल्मली रस प्रत्यग्र केर मध्य नालिकेर सुरा कुक्कुटांड द्रव. Apply this paste to a piece of cloth and tie it on an iron rod and dry it well. Afterwards, apply ghee over it and lit fire. Where is the ghee? Let us see whether there is the ghee in that. Puranaja Siktam Tam Dipayatna. Okay, so this is Puranaja. He doesn't mention about Purana ghee. Apply ghee over it and lit fire. Collect the oil drops in vessel containing tila tel and nalikel tel, 1 prastha each. After the completion of the process of burning the cloth, pour the oil mixture over the iron rod and collect it in separate vessel. Puranaj, yeah. But this is also strange. Completion of the process of burning the cloth, pour the oil mixture over iron rod. Where is this? Let us go back to again the previous reference. अवागराम भू सिंचन ताभ्याम अन्यत्र पातये. So भू सिंचन ताभ्याम, that would be Nalikera and Tilatela. What does it say? Anyatra pataye. Shalakagragatan sneha bindun asneha samsraya. So samsraya, this is also very difficult. Adaya tailam satpatre nishitcha paripale. So this might be the loha shalaka to be made sinchan from this. So whatever is there associated with the loha shalaka, that might be the thing. हा पाठ म्हणजे ब्रह्मास्त्र सारखा वाटतोय. या पद्धतीने बनवलेला उपलब्ध असेल तर खूपच प्रभावी चिकित्सा करता येईल. पुराणांच्या या. So Varnabhairava Tail, that is the, I don't know whether this is available. Seems difficult. Pour the oil mixture over the iron rod and collect it in a separate vessel. This is known as Varnabhairava Taila, and Maharshi Bhela formulated it. It is used as lay for nasya. सर्व व्रण वातरोग विसर्ग वातरक्त उन्मादन अपस्मार. दीपिका तेल असेच बनवतात. That is true, but that is rather simple, not so complicated. And we also tried to prepare Deepika Tel long back, and particularly for Karna Nada, this is very difficult to treat. Karna Nada and Karnak Shveda, and this is sadhya according to Ayurveda. In conventional medicine, this is said to be incurable, and the patient keep on suffering. So we try to do that, Deepika Tel. But this part is very elaborate and very complicated actually. And there are so many Vishadravyas. That is another important aspect over here. So does anybody have any idea that this is by any chance available in the market? जळतं ना सगळं. Everything is burned. सर्व व्रण वातरोग विसर्ग वातरक्त उन्मादन अपस्मार. So there are problems with the wounds of cancer, and they don't heal. Chemotherapy to certain extent does help in this situation, and there is a wound healing when we control cancer in that scenario. Of course, this is temporary. Again, it starts growing. But I have come across few cases of breast cancer with wounds. Oral cancers are very common with wounds, and these are very difficult to treat. So maybe we try to think about this, whether this can work in this particular scenario. अवघड आहे.
पण ते नंतरचं काय मी सांगितलं तरी ते नाही कळलं. शलाकाचं काय सांगितलं?
शलाका घ्यायची, त्याच्यावरती ते कापड गुंडाळायचं. मग हाऊ मच बिग शलाका, हाऊ मच थिक, there is no mention about that. And Karpasak, this khanda, Vasa, नाही काय, वस्त्रखंड or something like that. वासखंड दुष्टव्रणात वापरावे लागेल as lot of विषद्रव्य mentioned. That is true. Basically, the wounds of cancer do not heal. As compared to that, diabetic wounds and even Hansen wounds do respond. There is no doubt. I have treated both diabetic foot or diabetic gangrene successfully. I have treated Hansen's wounds successfully. But this is very typical. Cancer is still very typical. Deepika Tel is in Karna Rogadika in Vagbata. So it is the kastha like this Devdaru, etc. And one has to wrap this kastha with tila oil, soaked cloth, and then lit it. And then whatever drops that we get, this is Deepika Tel. महता पंचमूलस्य काष्ठात् क्षौमेण वेष्टितात् तैलसिक्तात् प्रदीप्ताक्रात् स्नेहसत्यो रुजापहः. So this is the thing. How do you do this, putting this part like this so instantaneously? So do you take a picture of it, or you have text in editable format that you cut paste or something like that from app? Okay. Villabh Bharti app copy paste. Yeah, fine. So I was wondering how you can do it so fast. Anyway. Sarvabhrana Vataroga Visarga. So I think we try to make this, though it's very difficult. And there are so many Vishadravyas. But anyway, Vishadravya is directly not used. So it is burnt. And only that oil drop, which is again Tila Taila and Narikela Taila both. And also Purana Ghruta, that is another important aspect over here. So maybe we try to see, prepare this and try to see whether this is available in the market to a certain extent. That should be fine. Kachura Hema Rajata Ardhanendra Valli. Kachur Hem Rajatari Dhanedravali Sereya Karala Tila Karalatika Balabhadrashungi Ikshwakumula Rajani Hariparani Kasnuk Gharmashu Roga Ripu Prakshatika Pamargau Kitariketaki Surasya Shagu Surasya Shugagni Jibha Surasya Shuk Agni Jibha, that might be the Sandhi. Drone Pidhana Rasasiddha Vishuddha Tailam Arkyarka Valya Gadapancha Mahi Ruhana Akshabhaya Malaka Varna वर्णवती युगानां पाथे पचेत् गदफलत्रयकालयाब्द मञ्जिष्ठयान्वितकषाय गणैश्च पिष्टैः पिक्पक्वं विगाल्य शशिजे सकले च कुष्ठे यभ्यञ्जतासत्विशेषत एव भिन्ने शशिजे. द्रोणे पिधानरससिद्ध विशुद्ध तैलम् अर्क्यर्कवल्यगद पञ्चमहीरुहाणां वाथे पचेत्. And these are the kalkadravyas. Pakvam vigalya shashije sakale च कुष्ठे. तच्चुर हेम धत्तुर नागकेशर रजताद्रि रजतारी रजतारी धान मरीच इंद्रवल्ली इंद्रवारुणी सैरेयक करलतिक्त करलटीका बला भद्र भारंगी इक्ष्वाकुमूल रजनी हरिपर्णिका स्नुक खरांशु अर्क रोग रिपु अरगवध रक्षट रक्षटीका हरपास अपामार्ग कीटारी केतकीश्वर सा असुक अशोक अग्निजिह्वा द्रोणपुष्पी अपिधान निंब स्वरस फोरप्रस्थ प्लस अर्कवल्ली अगद पंच महीरुह अक्ष अभया अमलक वर्णयति युग्म हरिद्राद्वय one pala each. Add 8 times of water and prepare chaturthamsh kashaya. Prepare taila with the above drugs, kalka, sneha and avadravya. External application. Sarva kushtakshaya. So Shashija is this Raja Yakshma, but part is quite clumsy. द्रोणे पिधान रस विशुद्ध तैलम शशिजे श्वित्र. No, Chandramas had this Raja Yakshma as such, and he has pushed her. So this was because of this Ahilya and incidents, and Gautam had given him sharp, and that is why there was kushta all over his body. And then when he did tapa, then he received a boon that there will be netra all over his body at this kushta place. So that is why his name is Sahasraksha or something like that. That is the story. So Shashija Sakala Kushtha, that might be the thing. So like all over the body Kushtha. Don't think it is Shvitra or something. This Kachuradi tail is not available. I don't think so. It's very difficult to extract meaning from this. Mhm. And Drona here is Drona Pushpi. Apidhana is Nimba. And Swarasa of all these. And then this is the Kvata as what he is saying. And which is the Kalka. Or this Nimbus Swarasa alone is a different thing. And Drona etc. is Kalka Dravya. He doesn't mention any pramana of that. Very difficult to make some meaning from this. Apidhana rasa siddha vishuddha tailam. So this, if we apidhana is we are considering at Nimba, then Kachuradi will become Kalkadravya. Surasya Shuk Agnijivha. The next is Arkyarka word, etc. is the Kvatha. Gadapalatraya Kalayabdha. With the Kashaya Ganeshta Pishtaihi. And this is again Kashaya Gana Pishta, that is again Kalkadravya. Whether there is some Hindi part about this, हिंदी मध्ये आहे काय? द्रोण पुष्प और निम्ब के स्वरस को सभी का स्वरस ही लेना है, फिर अर्कमूल रतन ज्योत वगैरह वगैरह. द्रोणे पिधान रस सिद्ध विशुद्ध तैलम. The part is not different. यद्यंजताम सति विशेषत एव भिन्ने. So in भिन्न कुष्ठ or something like that. So definitely it's difficult, but this might be available क्योंकि ये पर जो बता रहे हैं इस प्रयोग में केरल में उत्पन्न वाले कई द्रव्यों का समावेश है. So this might be possible that some company is making it Kachuradi Taila. Kachuradi Taila. So does anybody know about that? That it is available in Kerala? Anyway, what is the time now? So I think it is close to this our tomorrow. So anyway, we'll be starting with Churna Prakaran tomorrow. And so before that, today I have stopped Vaidika Vishwa Vihangamavalokam and also this Swadeshi and Paryavaran Sambardhaka, and have begun new topic cancer holistic guidance in Hindi, only in Hindi and only one audio recording. So we'll go ahead with this with more focused approach. And as I said, we may have a meeting on Sunday morning with the same link. And I think 7:30 should be fine for everybody. So let us meet at 7:30 a.m. Those who are interested in working for this cancer holistic guidance, that should be fine. As I said, we'll basically have three languages, Marathi, Hindi, and English. And besides that, we may go for translations in Kannada or Gujarati, etc. So particularly Shweta and maybe Shivkumar very much, they can work for Kannada language as such. So let us see how it works and then proceed ahead. Ayurveda prakando nigatita iha hi shalyatantra pradhanaha शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठुः प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारात् श्वः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः. Yes, advanced course is available. This is online now, recorded, only recorded. So those who have completed foundation course will go for advanced course. Those who are interested in both courses will start with foundation and then go to advanced. That will be better.